How are you? I think you all are fine. I am your English teacher for class 2. Okay. In a previous class, we practiced first lesson and first poem, that is Raksha Bandhana and Rakhi Day is a precious day. Today we are going to practice second lesson and second poem, that is the cock and the sun. Be healthy and wise. Okay. New words. Gather, come together. What is the meaning of gather? Come together. Praise, admire. What is the meaning of praise? Admire. Punctuality, being in time. Place, keep. What is the meaning of place? Keep. Reward, prize. What is the meaning of reward? Prize. Okay. Then choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Okay. First question. The king of the forest is the dash. First option is tiger. Second one is lion. Third one is fox. Which is the correct answer? Yes, lion. The king of the forest is the lion. Okay. Second one. The animal who wants to go with the king is the first one is fox. Okay. Second one is owl. Third one is donkey. Which is the correct answer? Fox. The animal who wants to go with the king is the fox. Third one. The color of the cock's comb is green, red, blue. Which is the right answer? Red. The color of the cock's comb is red. The first to attend the meeting in the story is the lion, elephant or a cock. Which is the right answer? Cock. Yes. The first to attend the meeting in the story is the cock. Next. Write who said these words in the story. Okay. Then first one. The sun may not come at 6 o'clock. Who said this one? Donkey said. The sun may not come at 6 o'clock. Who said? Donkey. Then I will collect some honey. Who said? Bee said. Who said this one? Bee. Okay. I am the king of the forest. Who said? Lion. I will go with the king. Who said this one? Fox. Okay. Then look at the pictures and write the correct answers. Okay. Once the sun wanted to meet all the animals. See, look at the picture. See, the sun wanted to meet all the animals. Yes, in the story. Okay. Second one. Animals gathered near dash. Look at the picture. Second picture you see. It is a big rock, no? Yes. Animals gathered near a big rock. Third one. The dash catches mice at the night. Third picture is owl. The owl catches mice at night. Fourth one. The sun was very dash and praised the cock. The sun was very happy and praised the cock. Okay. Then the cock's welcomes dash. The cock welcomes sun in the dash. the cock welcomes sun in the morning. Yes, the cock welcomes sun in the morning. Sixth, the cock has a on its head. The cock has a comb on its head. Okay, then look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Choose the words from the list below. Okay, in, near, on, between, under, behind, below. Okay, we have to choose the correct word. A bird is sitting dash a big rock. A bird is sitting on a big rock. Okay. Second one. A duck is swimming dash in a pond. In a pond. A duck is swimming in a pond. Third one. A cow is standing under a tree. A cow is standing under a tree. A cub is sitting between the other two. A cub is sitting between the other two. See, next one. The cat is running dash the kitten. A cat is running behind the kitten. Sixth one. A fox is standing a dash a den. A fox is standing near a den. Okay, next one. Rearrange the letters to make a meaningful words. We first do rearrange the letters to make a meaningful words. See, first one is NUS. It doesn't has any meaning. We have to rearrange the word letters. Okay. SUN, sun. Next one is came. Third one is filled. Fourth one is honey. Sixth one is forest. Seventh one is wise. Eighth one is healthy. Okay. Sun, king, field, honey, animal, forest, wise and healthy. Okay. Done. Find the other word that ends in the same sound for the following words. See, rice, wise, rice, wise, joy, boy, king, sing, meet, hate. Okay, then complete the poem. Okay, for early to bed and early to rise. For early to bed and early to rise is the way to be healthy and wise. Is the way to be healthy and wise. Next, look at the pictures and write 3 sentences about each of them. Okay, look at the picture. It is a morning picture. We have to write 3 sentences. Okay, first, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. It is very cold. We have our breakfast in the morning. We have a breakfast in the morning. Okay, then look at the second picture. It is a noon picture. Okay. We take a nap at afternoon. Okay. We take a nap at afternoon. It is very hot. Okay. It is very hot. We have our lunch in the afternoon. Next, third picture is evening picture. The sun sets in the evening. The sun sets in the evening. We have our snacks in the evening. It is breezy in the evening. Okay, then identify the picture. First picture is sunrise. Okay. Second picture is comb, cock's comb. Okay. Then third picture is honey. Okay. Then answer the following questions. See, first question is, who wanted to meet all the animals? The sun wanted to meet all the animals. Yes, the sun wanted to meet all the animals. Where did he ask them to gather? He asked them to gather the big rock in the forest. He asked them to gather near the big rock in the forest. When did sun ask the animals and birds to gather? The sun asked the animals and birds to gather in the next morning at 6 o'clock. Okay. Then, who is the king of the forest? The lion is the king of the forest. What did the sun place on the cock's head? The sun placed a crown on the cock's head. Okay. Sixth one. Who was the first to attend the meeting? The cock was the first to attend the meeting. Okay. All my dear children, you should write this in your notebook and you should practice it. Okay. Thank you.